look at this, 2 fingers, which is good. Right here we still have 3 fingers. Ah man, I messed up. Yes, I did. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. And today I have to tell you guys how I messed up with the F Sport shocks and springs with this car. So you know how a lot of the parts now are on back order. So I had the shocks for like months. Well, actually I had 3 of them for months, and then I found on the drive side. So for the springs, they were on back order as well, but I was waiting and waiting. I could not find them, but the one that were in back order or still on back order are the one for the regular IS. And then I've done some research and find out that the one for the convertible and the one for the actually can fit on the regular IS, and then the one on the regular IS can also fit. The one for the regular IS can also fit on the convertible. So I was like, you know what, I'm done waiting. I just ordered the one for the convertible. But for the regular IS, they have the rear springs, but they didn't have the front. So for the whole set is the part numbers are PTR 0753090 for all 4 of them. But if you want the rear, it's PTR 0753091, which is what I have for the rear. And then for the convertible, it's PTR 0753100 for the whole set. So what I did, I bought the lowering spring, the F Sport lowering springs for the rear for the regular IS, and then I bought the whole set for the convertible, and then I put the front of the convertible on here. So, but what I did not know is that the regular IS sit 1 inch lower than the convertible. So the convertible sit 1 inch higher. So when you buy the F Sport convertible, it drop 1 inch. Now it sits the same way as the regular IS. And then if you buy the F Sport springs for the regular IS, it's lower. The regular IS is lower. But you can also put the springs for the regular IS on the convertible if you wanted the same height. So that's why when I install the front F Sport spring convertible on this car, it remained the same. All right, give me just a second. Amazon is here. So that's why when I put the front of the F Sport springs on my IS, the height was still the same, but it drives good though. It drives really good. That means if you want a little bit stiffer ride, and then you want to take sharp corners and all that, you can get on the springs for the convertible, the F Sport spring for the convertible. But if you don't want to lower your car, the ride will remain the same. So that's why you can see my front here, it's still, you can still put three fingers here, and the rear it's lower. If you even look at it, I don't know, it's dark, the car is black, you can tell how the rear sit low, and then you can see how the front it's like it's high. So even when I get on the car, I drove the car for like 5 minutes. I don't wanna drive the car yet until I get in alignment, because I just changed the pushings as well. You can check this video out. So I can tell that the front of the car is higher while the back is lower. So I I was looking online, and then I found a tailor up in Ohio. He told me that he can order the springs for me for like for the reggae guitar. The is the one that actually for my car. His PTR was 075309. But he said I have to give him the VIN number, and there's a special way to get them from Lexus. Not all tailors know that. So I just ordered them this morning. So hopefully they'll be here sometimes next week. But the only thing is I have to do the whole thing again, which is fine. When I changed these, it was my first time. The first one was a little bit not hard, but a little bit difficult. But now that I know what to do, I think it'll be easier. And tomorrow morning I will install the new wheels. So I will install the wheels and then wait for the springs to get here, and do the front again, switch them, and then I'll get in alignment. And then I will sell these for the convertible. Maybe if someone has an IS 250 350 convertible, you want to buy them, I'll let them go for a decent price. So yeah, so what you don't know, I didn't know if I did my research, or if I found that tailor that could order them from me from Lexus, because he says because of all these things that's going on, that's why all these parts are on back order. But there's a special way to order them. So I'm crossing my fingers, hopefully that I get them by next week.
Perfect.